I'm working on my trailer today and I need a wire stripper, a really thick one because I have very thick gauge wire. You could do it with a knife freehand, but then you risk cutting the wires. So I'm making this wire stripper, and I started with 2 pieces of wood and roughly in the shape I wanted. I drilled 4 holes in it, and then after that I cut it out because you want a perfectly flat surface on the bottom. When you drill the holes, use a drill like the smaller drill first to drill all the way through. You'll notice that's a bit smaller and this thread's really going to stick in there. But then I used a bigger drill to make it easier for the threads to slide through. Once you get it wrenched down, you're going to want this piece of wood not to hang on to the threads so much, because you're going to want to tighten this blade in there. And now I will get this to where I want it. I think that's probably going to be good. Now I'll get a piece of tape just to kind of hold it down. Where's that screw hole in here? Right there. Okay, now I'll get my, see, I kind of put the thread out a little bit. Can you see that? Yeah, kind of put the thread out a little bit so I can find where to stick it in there so it aligns perfectly. Actually, I should probably do that with 2 of them. So let me put the other one in. There we go. Kind of got them started, you know, so it locks in there. That's the perfect position. Now I'll tighten them down. There we go. Now I have the perfect wire stripper, and it's reusable. I can open it up and take that out later and change when the blade gets dull, you know. So you just run it along the wire like so. And then it should rip open. There we go. So that's it. I could go a little deeper if I want. Here's some other ideas. I made this flat because I want to be able to use it this way and this way. But if I was using this tool a lot, I'd probably cut this at kind of an angle, beveled in, so the wire fits in here and you get a nice perfect straight cut every time. And if I was going the other way, if I was cutting it this way, then I'd cut a little like triangle this way so it kind of sits down in the groove and you can hold it and get a perfect cut, you know. But this is kind of the universal one, so yeah, so hopefully that'll help you guys, save you guys time waiting for a wire stripper. You just make one.